Required to find the value of length, x from the square. If length, 1 unit, 2 units and angle theta are given in the figure. Trigonometric functions, Pythagoras' theorem, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points A, B, C, D, E, and F. Let side length of the given square be y. Consider right triangle A, B, F. By using trigonometric identity, length A, B divided by length A, F equals 1 divided by 2, which equals to tan theta. This means that tan theta is equals to half. We call it equation 1. From right triangle B, C, D. Length B, C divided by length C, D equals y minus 1. All divided by y, which equals to tan u minus theta. Therefore, y minus 1. All divided by y equals tan u minus theta. We call it equation 2. From right triangle D, E, F. Using trigonometric identity, length D divided by length E, F equals y divided by y minus 2, which equals to tan u. Hence, tan u equals y divided by y minus 2. We call it equation 3. Consider equation 2. Y minus 1. All divided by y equals tan u minus theta. From trigonometric identity, tan u minus theta equals tan theta minus tan u. All divided by 1 plus tan u multiplied by tan theta. Substitute equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3 in the above equation. Y minus 1. All divided by y equals, open bracket, y divided by y minus 2, close bracket, minus half. All divided by, open bracket, 1 plus the product y divided by y minus 2, close bracket and half. Simplify completely and we have that y minus 1. All divided by y equals y plus 2. All divided by 3 times y minus 4. Cross multiply. Y minus 1 multiply by 3 times y minus 4 equals y times y plus 2. Open brackets. This implies that 3 times the square of y minus 4 times y minus 3 times y plus 4 equals the sum of square of y and 2 times y. Combine like terms. It follows that 3 times the square of y minus the square of y minus 4 times y minus 3 times y minus 2 times y plus 4 equals 0. Simplify and we have that 2 times the square of y minus 9 times y plus 4 equals 0. Factorize. It implies that 2 times the square of y minus 8 times y minus y plus 4 equals 0. Rewrite as a product of two factors. That is, 2 times y minus 1 multiplied by y minus 4 equals 0. Either 2 times y minus 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence, y equals half. Or y equals 4. since y greater than 1. Thus, y is not equals to half. Therefore, y equals 4. From right triangle BCD. Using Pythagoras' theorem, the square of length BD equals the square of x, which equals the sum of the square of length BC and the square of length CD. The result is equals to the sum of y minus 1 and the square of y. Since y equals 4. This value was derived by us. This implies that the square of x equals the sum of the square of for minus 1 and the square of 4, which equals to 25. As shown on the screen. Take the square root of the equation. Therefore, x equals the square root of 25, which equals to 5 units.